Huh? To hold the basket on my head and go around dancing in that fish market. So I was extremely shy.
उधर जाने का.
No! Okay. Thank you. I found it. I've done it.
I'm a big tasty guy and known as the ruler of fish. I have a spine but not too many bones. That makes up a wonderful dish. Okay, I think it's the kingfish. I'm gonna go find it.
मैं मच्छी नहीं दूंगी.
क्यों?
10 बार उठा के देखा.
ये 10 बार उठाना है.
हाँ.
वो छोटा वाला.
ओ.
ये 6, 7, 10. I got my fish. I'm going back to the food truck. I'm gonna do my task now.
First off, my name is metal. Second only to gold. Not being pompous, but my name you should be whole. Okay, I'm guessing it's a silver pomfret because second to gold and pompous, so pomfret. So I'm just going to run off because I want to be fast on the truck. Excuse me, excuse me.
Oh, I want to tell you one to sing song.
Okay.
Laila oh Laila.
Leila, oh Leila.
डांस करके
Leila,
ऐसा ऐसा ऐसा
oh मेरी Leila. और कुछ गाना?
कैट वॉक करके बताओ कैट वॉक करके
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Auntie made me do so many things for this. I hope it's all worth it. Hope I'll be the first on the truck.
So finally we are here. This is a big surprise for me. I don't know what I would do. I'm just super excited about it. This is a much needed break. I'm glad I was one of the top 5. So let's see what the day has to bring. Bumper ride and it was really fun. I didn't know how it would turn out, but I really enjoyed it.
We got a chance to do parasailing and it was so much fun today. We are so relaxed now. It was so much fun. It was like real freedom out in the water, up in the air, just by myself. It was amazing. Thank you, Chef.
Thank you, Chef.
Though I'm really glad that I'm not in the danger zone, I'm really worried for my friend Juhi because she's an amazing cook. So I really hope she gets through this one. It'll be really sad to see her go so soon.
So we get onto this location, which is this massive beach, which has foreigners, our trucks parked there.
There was a shack, there was a lot of people there were beach chairs, it was beautiful and sunny. We took in the sea smell and we looked at the sand and then we thought, we're finally in Goa.
Welcome back to Fem Foodies. And what we hear, you've had quite a morning, huh?
Yes, Chef.
How did it go?
It was an experience for me because I had never gone to a place like this before. So I think I kind of got over the whole phobia and yuckiness of it because I went all in.
So you had fun, you enjoyed that task, and you all did find, with the help of the clues, you did find your fish.
So here we are on the first elimination at Fem Foodies.
So
So this is the first elimination task of Femme Foodies, and I'm already here. I'm not willing to go home right away.
At the end of it, one of you will have to leave us. In the order of who finished first, you get to choose a partner. A partner from the Femme Foodies who are actually coasting, who are actually safe. First in the task was Nishtha. Nishtha, you get to choose a partner. Who do you want to choose?
I'll go with Chitwan.
Chitwan. Juhi?
I'd go for Akanksha.
Kiran?
I'd pick Ipsy.
Ipsita?
What about you, Megha?
I'd pick Yogita.
Tanisha?
So that leaves me with Tarana.
Tarana. When you're choosing your cuisine, look around, who are you cooking for? And then choose the dish that you're going to choose. These are the people who are going to vote for your dish at the end of the meal.
Make sure your dish has got texture, flavor, color. You want that to be there on the plate. And the entire dish should come about together beautifully.
Guys, remember, it's a truck task. You're not having people sit down and eat. Whatever you're cooking should be able to be put on a plate so people can stand and eat it. That's the beauty of gourmet cooking on a food truck. Good luck. Here are your aprons. And your time to cook is going to start pretty soon. Please collect your aprons. Kiran.
We got our black aprons. I mean, everybody knows that the black apron means you are in danger, and it does make you a bit nervous.
While that white apron gave me pride, the black apron showed me down. I really was hesitant to even put it on.
Your partners are right here. Come on in, girls. Girls, vision, technique, expression, your task starts
Now!